Hi, this is Wes with Above and Beyond Auto Repair, and in this video I'm going to answer the #1 most frequently asked question. How can I make my car last the longest? And the answer to that question is change the oil. Change the oil on a regular and consistent basis. Don't go over the mileage of an oil change. And if you ever pull out the dipstick and your oil's dirty, change it. Change it right then and there. The oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle, and that will make your car last the longest. I hope this helps. Again, this is Wes with Above and Beyond Auto Repair, and we're here for all your automotive answers and needs.